Hi students, today we are going to discuss about road safety which is in the 6th standard social science term 3 lesson 3. Here in the last videos we have discussed about the road signals. Now we are going to see the pedestrian walk. Pedestrians. Here we are going to discuss a very important things pedestrians can do and they do not. So here first thing we are going to see what are the things they want to do. They can follow in the pedestrian walk. Okay, let us move to the topic. Always use pavements. Children must use the pavements when walking on the road. Here we are going to see the rules and regulations of this road. Pedestrian walk. Do's. Walk on any side of the road if there are footpaths. Walk on any side of the road is there any footpaths. You know very well on the road side, both the side they have the pedestrian walks until you can walk on the pedestrian path. Next, on roads without footpath, walk on your extreme right side facing the oncoming traffic. Extreme right side facing the oncoming traffic. And then next, use zebra crossing, foot over bridge and subways to cross the roads. Use zebra crossing, foot over bridge and subways to cross the roads. Where such facilities are not available, be extra cautious while crossing the road. Children below 8 years of the age should cross the road with the help of elders. Cross the road when the vehicles are at a safe distance. Cross the road when the vehicles are at a safe distance. Then wear light colored dresses during night time because it is very bright to see the drivers. So we can wear the light colored dresses during the night time. Okay, so these are the important things we can follow on the pedestrian walk. Now, do nots. That means don't do in the pedestrian walk. Don't cross the road hastily by running. Don't cross the road in front of or in between parked vehicles. Don't cross the road in front of or in between parked vehicles, because while in the crossing this type of the time is there some peoples they can move the vehicles, so we can get the accidents. So these are the things we should not do on the roadside. Next, don't try to cross the road from blind corner turnings where you are not visible to the vehicle drivers. Don't try to cross the road from blind corner turnings where you are not visible to the vehicle drivers. Okay, so don't jump over the railings to cross road. So we don't follow this type of the crossings. So this is very dangerous for us. Okay, my dears. So now we are going to see the next topic is that is very important for the school and also the cyclings. Staying safe on a bicycle. This is very important. Most of the peoples they are following this. So most children use bicycle to go to schools. Okay, so they should be aware of the road rules and road safety. Moreover, they should maintain their bicycles in good conditions, because somebody's you can see in the roadside that people they have suddenly not pick up that brake handlebars everything, and moreover they don't know to ride the cycle also. This is very very dangerous for the peoples, for the children. So all the children they can follow the very important rules of the staying safe on a bicycle. Okay, so they should be aware of the road rules and road safety. What we can do in the bicycle riding? Here, do's. Cycle must be fitted with standard gadgets: bell, brakes, rear view mirrors, both front and back mudguard painted white, reflective tapes fixed at the front and back. Cycle on the extreme left side of the road or use service road if available. I am going to show the cycle how it is. Avoid busy roads. If it is busy means we cannot move properly on the roadside. And then keep a safe distance from fast motorized vehicle. Yes, it is very very important for the children, because the motorized vehicles are very fast. It will move very fast, but the cycles are very very less than speed. So while riding on the cycle, while riding on the roadside, we can keep distance, a safe distance from fast motorized vehicles, and give proper indications before stopping or turning. Yes, we can give the indications before stopping or turning while in the Motorized vehicles also they have. Like that we can give some signs for the indications. Thank you, children.